So this is from Bodhini, part 5, lesson 5. Aavo, come. Aye, that also come. You are giving respect to elders. So let's see. Ganesh, tum yaha aavo. So Ganesh's name, tum means you. Okay. Ganesh, tum yaha aavo. Yaha, here. So Ganesh, come here. So this person is saying, Ganesh, tum yahan aavo. Ganesh, come here. Tum andar aavo. Okay, you get inside. Come inside. Tum bench par beto. So they are asking to sit on the bench. You sit on the bench. Tum Hindi padho. Tum Hindi padho. So you start reading Hindi. Okay. Sudha, tum bhi aavo. Sudha is girl name. So now he is saying to Sudha. Sudha, tum bhi aavo. You also come inside. Tum bhi beto. Sudha, tum bhi beto. You also sit. Tum zameen par mat beto. Don't sit on the floor. Okay, tum zameen. Zameen means floor. Don't sit on the floor. So Panditaji आइए. Panditaji means adhyapak, teacher. Okay, Panditaji आइए means come here, teacher. Please get inside. Like that we used to say, no, Panditaji आइए. आइए is giving respect to elders. That's why we used to say आइए. आप अंदर आइए. Please come inside. Okay. आप कुर्सी पर बैठिए. Please sit on this chair. आप also, if we give respect to elders, we used to say आप. Otherwise, we used to say तुम. Okay. आप बेंच पर मत बैठिए. आप बेंच पर मत बैठिए. So here they are saying, don't sit on the bench. So bench they used to sit for kids. So आप bench पर मत बैठिए. Don't sit on the bench. सुधा देखो मेज पर क्या है. So he is asking, Sudha, see there, what is there on the table? मेज पर अखबार है. मेज पर अखबार है. Akbar, newspaper. So on the table what is there now? Newspaper. There is a newspaper on the table. Akbar yahan लावो. Get the newspaper here. Bring that newspaper here. Pitaji अखबार लीजिए. So here father is saying now, Pitaji अखबार लीजिए. This Sudha is saying to father, take this newspaper, daddy. So Gopu, tum sharbat pivo. Gopu is name. So now they are saying, Gopu, you drink sharbat, cool drinks. Okay, you drink sharbat. Suresh, pustak हाथ में लो. Suresh also name. So pustak हाथ में लो. Hold your book in your hand. हाथ में, in your hand. सुधा, तुम पढ़ो और लिखो. सुधा, तुम पढ़ो और लिखो. It means Sudha, read and write. चाचा जी, आप मिट्टी, सॉरी, चाचा जी, आप चिट्ठी लिखिए. चाचा जी, आप चिट्ठी लिखिए. चिट्ठी means letter. Chitti means letter. Okay. Chachaji, please write a letter. Panditaji, आइए. Panditaji, आइए. So teacher, please come here. आप फल लीजिए. Please take fruits. आप फल खाइए. आप फल खाइए. please eat fruits. यह गरम दूध है. This is very hot milk. It is very hot milk. So आप दूध पीजिए. You please drink milk. सुधा देखो वहां कौन है. सुधा see there, who is there? वहां रवि है. So now who is there? There is a Ravi. Ravi, पुस्तक लो और पढ़ो. Now they are saying to Ravi, Ravi, take your book and read. पंडिता जी, आप फल खाइए और दूध पीजिए. So now here saying, teacher, please eat फल, that is fruit, and drink milk. सुधा बैठो और गीत गाओ. Now they are saying to Sudha, Sudha, please sit down and sing one song. विमला बैठो और गीत सुनो. So asking to Vimala, what they are saying now? Yes, बैठो और गीत सुनो. So you sit here and listen the song. पंडिता जी, आप भी गीत सुनिए. See here, विमला बैठो और गीत सुनो. Okay, this is same age group, so they are giving respect to same age group. सुनो, listen. Okay, सुनिए also listen. Here he is the elder person, Pandita ji. So we used to end with the सुनिए, listen. आप भी गीत सुनिए. You also listen the song. विमला, अब तुम भी गाओ. Vimala, now you also start singing.